Alright, so this video is how to change the engine air filter on a Honda Ridgeline. This would also apply to a Honda Pilot. Even though this is a second generation Ridgeline, the Ridgelines and the Pilots have had the same engine for about 20 years. So they should all be fairly similar in the process. The only difference might be the number of clips or the position of the clips to access the filter. But otherwise, it should always be on the right side, and it should be a very similar procedure. So first, get you a filter. You can probably get these at Walmart. I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the video description and the comments on how to get this from Amazon, so you don't have to go looking for it. Under 20 bucks. You do this yourself, you're going to save yourself probably 60 bucks or more versus someone else doing it. So this is a very easy thing to do and save you some money. So as I stated, the number and the position of clips may be different depending on what year you have. So on this one, there's 3 clips, 2 on the right side, and then there is 1 on the back. It's kind of hard to see with this tube, but right back here. Same kind of clip. So basically, you just push it out, and it comes out like that. I've already undone the other 2. And then all you're going to do is lift, and then you will pull out the old filter. See, this is was definitely due. You can see there's a pretty good amount of dirt and grime in there. This also can depend on the climate. I live in a very dry climate, very dusty, so I think I have to change mine more frequent than others. So we will stick this in there. Go. Push it down. Make sure these clips are kind of seating out so they don't interfere. And on this particular one, there's these little spaces where you have to kind of put the tabs, fit the tabs into. So you may have to kind of play with it a little bit. There we go. Once you get the kind of pushed into the tabs, it's just a matter of reinstalling the clips. And that is it. That is by far one of the easiest engine air filters you ever change, and you will save yourself a ton of money, especially over the life of the vehicle. Again, I'll put a link to the Amazon filter in the video description and the comments. Hope this was helpful.